Ja, okay.
Hey, si. Na, Guseta, Jalagantu, Guseta.
Så hører vi.
G1, Gustu.
Ja, det er den er ude.
Uodu da yo, ha.
Det er lort.
Gaton.
Det er der jo en hytte.
Ah.
Jeg snakker hytte til her.
Oh, you know what he said? I said, that's a pretty cat. And he said, I don't like that cat. And I said, why don't you like that cat? And he said, because he's always chasing the girls. And he goes, I don't go chasing the girls. He shouldn't be chasing the girls.
He's possessed.
Oh, yeah. And you're convinced it's possessed. That was so sweet. Wasn't that sweet? Kakaya. Sweet. Kakaya.
Ja, det er sgu. Det tænker jeg her også hætter højst i morgen. Han er den ikke. Det kan du ikke, at han ikke er sådan. Og det er noget der.